Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Ford Edge. Stock number is A7942. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Pirelli tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Edge is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Edge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.